Welcome back to Watch and Learn Finance. Today is Monday, June 2nd, 2025, the start of a new month and a fresh chapter for the markets. We're here to recap today's major movers, give you some critical trade insights, and update our stock alert watch list, including a few personal positions I've added. U.S. stocks kicked off June with modest gains despite growing concerns over global trade tensions. The S&P 500 rose 0.41% to close at 5,935.94. The Nasdaq Composite climbed 0.67% to 19,242.61, while the Dow ticked up just 0.08%, ending at 42,305.48. Rob Taylor from U.S. Bank called the market somewhat range-bound until there's tariff clarity, but for now, traders seem willing to ride the wave. One of the biggest stories today is sharply gaming, ticker symbol SBET. The stock tanked 27.81%, closing at $55.37, after the company announced a $425 million private placement led by Consensus Software. That funding will reportedly be used to purchase $1 billion worth of Ethereum, which would make SBET the largest publicly traded ETH holder. Sounds bullish? The market didn't agree pre-market lows at $58, and intraday highs failed to hold. Today's top gainer, mod appear mod of the massive 96.3% to $2.2. But heads up, after hours action saw it drop to 1.7 per dollar, down 20. 91. Mod is a healthcare service provider specializing in supportive care solutions across the U.S. But with a market cap of just $24.4 million, volatility is sky-high here. Let's revisit our ongoing stock alerts and see how they performed today. And stick around because I've made some moves of my own. Day May 23rd alert closed at $27.67, 0.88%. Still watching for that pullback into the 23.24 zone. No changes yet, just staying patient. Sunday 24th alert closed at $44.71, minus 1.82%. Our plan was to wait for 40 for 45, with a stop loss at 42.50. Now here's the thing. I've been watching some closely today as it dipped into our target zone. I made a small but calculated move. XPRO May 28th alert closed at $8.29, minus 0.36%. Buy zone still sits at 7580 with a target at $9.0. Breakout above $9.0 opens the door to 11.5012. Hello, still on watch. No entries yet. XP May 29th alert closed at $8.3 minus 2.11%. Entry remains near $8.0 with a target of $10.75. No changes. No position, but it's on standby. TROX May 30th alert closed at $5.38, minus 5.28%. As mentioned, accumulation zone is anywhere under 6.00. And now, here's the big one. After watching this for days studying its long-term price behavior, I made a move. I placed a buy order after market hours at 5:30. This is 2% of my entire portfolio, a confident entry in what I believe could be a calm before the storm setup. This one's not just a chart trade, it's a conviction trade. There you have it. June begins with mixed signals and big moves, especially from SBET. My positions in SON and TROX reflect what I'm seeing beneath the surface. Setups forming, pressure building. We'll keep tracking these tickers, and I'll update you if I add to any of them. Until then, stay alert, stay smart, and trade safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what stocks you're watching or if you've entered anything from today's list.